recording.
Alright folks, we're hitting Candy Mountain today. There is way too much traffic on North Carolina 294. So instead we're going to follow a Kia, a handicapped Kia on Candy Mountain. Because you know that's got to be fun. Can't think of anything better. But at least they splurged and got the handicap tag instead of being a complete retard and leaving the handicap placard hanging from the rear view mirror, so they have a ginormous blind spot in the middle of their windshield. But we're still only doing 20 miles an hour. And that might be because it's a Kia. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to buy a Kia. Just somebody with absolutely no common sense. So many better cars. Well, I'm surprised they kept it on the road that time. It must be hard keeping one of those 3,000-pound Kias on the road on such a twisty highway. I think today's ride's gonna bite me in the butt a little bit. It's a Sunday morning. It's a Sunday morning at 9:45. It's about the time that all these Christians head off to Sunday school. The only thing worse than a Christian is a Muslim. People need to put their religious hatred to sleep. I'm pretty sure that neither of y'all are right. Oh, yay. Yay. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is that nonsense? Ugh. She's not going there. But they had a whole yard full of Jesus's Christ, Jesus's Lord. Not sure what that's about. Jesus is the foreman building my house. Hey, but back to Candy Mountain. Look how nice the pavement is today. It rained very hard at our house last night, and it doesn't look like it got a drop here. That's kind of why I got a late start. Typically on a Sunday morning, I'm on the bike by 6:30 a.m. The fog was so thick, I couldn't see anything down in the front yard. I looked down the mountain, it was nothing but a white haze. I'm gonna go over the Chirahela Skyway today. After I come across Tennessee 30. And yes, you guessed it, I am on a 2000 Honda VFR 800 Fi Interceptor. This is a bike which does everything well. It doesn't do anything great, but it does everything well, including navigate rocks.